Evangelist, I keep saying that Christianity must grow in this African land, especially in this Igbo land. Because I could remember that when Christianity came, they enslaved our forefathers, they enslaved our ancestors. So therefore, Christianity must go. We are not talking about our children and our youth. They enslaved them. Some of them, they killed them. So Christianity must go.
Okay, now let me ask you a question. Who sold our brothers, our sisters to the white people? Who? You people, black people, sold their brothers to their sisters to the white people, and now you people are blaming them. Don't blame the white people, because you blame your ancestors who sold your brother, your sister to them. Blame them. And the other one is that if you come for slavery, the people that did slavery, they did different to the people that came and preached the gospel to us. Now there was a man, I forget the name of that man. People used to talk about that man. That man blocked a ship. They load on that ship Jesus of Rubik, something like that. They used that Jesus slave thousands of Africans. Now let me tell you something. That man is a Christian. It's true. As we see, many people are Christian right now. They are not genuine. They are living corny lives. They are not genuine. So it is possible that that man either jumped something, brought that ship, they load on that ship Jesus of Rubik, slaved many Africans. The man is not genuine born again. He's not born again, but he called himself a Christian, but he's not born again. The same thing today. Many people call themselves Christians, but they are not living a life that praise God. They are not following the footsteps of Jesus. So the same thing that is happening now happened before. But let me tell you, the people that brought gospel to us, they are not the one who slaved our ancestors. But the people that slaved our ancestors, they did difference. So don't blame Christianity. Christianity is not the problem of Africa.